Hey everybody, this is Tim, the IT trainer. Hey guys, just wanted to let you know, by the way, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos over the years. I haven't done many videos here in quite a long time, but I'm coming back now, and I'm going to be really hitting this channel heavily. I've been doing tons and tons of training for the federal government and for some other training organizations in the U.S., but now I'm back. I've decided to kind of keep myself off the road for a little bit, and I'm going to be hitting heavily this channel. So it's kind of like a rebirth of what I was doing previously. There's been a name change. It used to be called the Win 7 Trainer. Now it's just the IT Trainer. Reason being, I'm going to do a lot of different training because, frankly, I've had a lot of students over the years ask me for it. So I'm going to start off with some cloud training because it's very, very prevalent in today's IT world. I'm going to do some security training, some Sec Plus, probably some CISSP stuff that I normally do. I will, of course, hit upon Microsoft's Azure cloud product. I'm going to hit upon Amazon Web Services. We'll tear those apart. We'll do some security stuff. We'll do some Windows 11 stuff. And maybe some Windows 10 things, but I plan on hitting this channel heavily. I would love to put up several videos a week into this channel. You know, guys, I've been training since 1994. I've worked with a lot of companies over the years, both as a contract trainer and also as an employee of various organizations. I did a 16-year stint with Global Knowledge. I did a 7-year stint with UMBC training. I've done a lot of different things. So I want to bring all of that certification experience and training experience out to you guys. And I think this is the best platform for me to do that on. Of course, guys, I would love for you to subscribe. You know, every YouTuber says that, right? And I don't even consider myself a YouTuber. I consider myself a trainer, but I'm using the YouTube format. So, hey, if you wouldn't mind, subscribe. Leave me some comments, and you know how that works. Any comment that you actually leave will benefit the channel. It does put the algorithm in such a place that it'll recommend videos to people, and that's my goal. I want to spread this channel as much as I can, but I can't do it alone. I need your help, and I really appreciate that. So welcome along for the journey, guys. I really appreciate you hanging out with me. I really appreciate you guys going back and watching those older videos, but I promise that you're going to have a lot of new videos coming your way, and you're going to have videos coming as soon as today or tomorrow. Today is August 16th, 2023. That's kind of the rebirth of this channel. And I hope to get this particular video out there really shortly. So, hey, I want to thank you again and welcome, and I look forward to serving your training needs. Anything I can do, contact me. I also do private training, one-on-one trainings with people as well. If you're interested in that, you can look at my channel and contact me, and you know, we'll go from there. All right, guys, thanks a lot, and again, welcome back.